Hello everyone. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change your mouse setting to make the mouse physically easier to use. This video tutorial will show you how to enable Click Lock. Click on the Start button at the bottom left of your screen. Now click on the Control panel in the Start menu. The Control panel can be viewed in two ways. If you do not see a list of icons, you are in Category View. Change this by left-clicking on the View by Category option on the top right of your window. Choose the Large Icons option from the drop-down menu that appears. Scroll through the icons in the control panel until you find the mouse icon. Double-click on it to change your computer's mouse settings. Press on Click Lock to enable this setting. This setting allows the user to set the left mouse button to stay held down for as long as the user needs it to. Click on Apply to save changes. This is all, and we hope you enjoyed our other videos. Feel free to choose other videos about mouse settings. You can choose between switching mouse functions and double-click speed.